Scandal, baby.
Rainforest Village.
Okay.
Come on, I'm gonna show you my crib. Like crib on TV crib, look.
I do want it. It smells like animals in here. Look at the beast. The beastie now. Let's all look at the price tag. Let's just zoom in a little bit. Wait, try to focus it. Nope, it's not focusing. Ah! What the heck is that little thing?
So recording now?
Yeah, it is recording.
Hello folks, this is here we got the little monkey up there. He's actually sleeping. Look at the little guy.
Oh, you woke him up. He opened his eyes.
Oh, he just opened his eyes because he smelt me.
Hi. Hi, little guy.
This guy's sleeping like gummy.
So tired, like he's trying to pick up his eyes. Look at the little food they give him. They give him carrots, lettuce. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, look at the little. What is that? Alright, where you want to go first? You want to walk around like this?
Yeah.
This guy's knocked out.
Hi. We can play.
Come on, babe.
Oh, he ignored me just like my dog. I want attention. Yeah. Hi. Check me out.
I'm checking you out. Eat. Sugar glider.
Coconut. More sugar. Oh, those are the little. You know you can buy these as pets, right?
Yeah.
Oh, it's up there. You can't even see them. Look.
It's a tiny guy. I see him on the camera though.
See him on the top line.
Oh no, you're good, man. Thanks though.
Oh, and that one's in the little box.
I think I ran him over yesterday.
What?
Joking. That would have been a good one, joke. Good joke, right? What's up, dude? Birds are so loud though.
Look at the birdies up there kissing.
Oh, they're really making love.
These are like lovebirds. Look, they all got little
I know,
meat.
but look at the one right there hanging on the rope.
I know. Oh my god, it's so cute. But you see up there, the little yellow ones?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Up there. Look. They're like
That's
literally lovebirds.
That's the stage when you first find your girlfriend, like you're like the first month in.
Oh wow, they really are lovebirds. That's what they're called. Look.
Oh wow.
They're lovebirds.
I never even think they would. I never even heard of a lovebird.
Oh yeah. The lizards. Bite me. Bite me if you can. Oh, he's so mad. You gonna come bite me? Yeah. You're gonna do it? You're gonna do
It's
it?
when you have no friends and you talk to animals. I'm joking.
Porcupines, get that for Tubby. It's a hedgehog. I said porcupine. The little hedgehog.
We're sleeping though.
Oh my god, what you don't want.
I think we came too early.
We can come back around too. What is in here?
Geico.
It's an insect? No. Oh,
This is an African dwarf hedgehog. First off, those aren't even porcupines, and you said it was porcupines.
That's why I said that. I gotta keep one, but I babysit one. It's so cute. So freaking cute. Oh my god. That's not cute.
This in Florida, if you're not from Florida, this is the things you see in your backyard. You'll go and see a python.
Ew, and this is
This one's from Australia.
We feed them naked mole rats. Impossible.
It's called a...
So put it in water.
What is this?
I'm not sure.
A Gila monster.
Rat.
That guy.
Record that turtle, look. Oh, never mind. He was in that turtle's butt. Oh my god, there was a turtle. He's doing it.
Everyone's just showing love today in this rainforest.
I was trying to see if he does like that. These are doves. I feel like we're. Oh my god.
It's a savannah monitor.
With the animals, because some of these are blending.
Oh no,
in.
look at him. You know.
It's a dinosaur. This proves that dinosaurs are real. Look at the tail. Dinosaurs are real. They're real.
She has a bright mind. That is called a Yumarask. Not sure how to pronounce that.
They look like leaves. That's the snake.
Oh my god, look at them.
You're recording all of it.
Freaky guy right there. He's looking right at the camera. He's not camera shy at all.
Look at they're right here. What are you? What the? Why are you breathing so hard?
They're called a Diju.
He's like, I'm over you guys.
But do you see the white one up there?
Yeah, I thought it was a bunny.
I did too.
You're recording that thing.
Oh no, I pulled it back.
What is that
I was
one
trying to get
eating?
him.
What is that one eating?
That's good.
What he's eating? What? Oh, I was so scared.
I'm gonna send it to your mom.
What are you, funny looking guy? You look like me when I don't brush my hair. Look at all. Oh my god. So freaking cute. Is that what it says?
No, say one per year.
Well, this is a good way to decorate this cage. Put a freaking skull in it for these little guys. They chilling, you see them? Migos.
Gorilla.
Zorilla. Into the jungle.
I feel like they just built this for him.
This toot is long.
Yeah, he is huge.
A skink? Where is he?
Let's see.
He got a little banana. Oh my god, he's moving. Yo, you see his tongue? It's blue. Oh, that's so disgusting. And his little feet moving. It's a view. For real, cheapest and best zoos I've ever.
Why they're separated?
So the mama beast who laid over 60 eggs. This is her, all tangled up on the little bowl. Water, dang, she's huge though. Like that must be her belly with all the eggs.
She's huge.
Oh yeah.
There it is. Is this the gentleman that was in here? He was in here before.
Yeah.
Ew.
Give me a high five, Toad. Yeah. Ugh. Oh, to my older sister, James Marie or Tubby. Look at this nigga. You like frogs, don't you? He's huge. Like, look at my hand and look at him. Like, huge. This is his habitat. This is his name. Which one? The big one?
The one right there in the back.
Oh, with the orange tail?
Yeah, he got.
Look, he's scratching himself like Gummy.
Oh, it's a baby. A baby's on his back.
Come back.
You see him sleeping on his back?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god.
That's the daddy or something.
Yeah, facts. He's literally just smacking him. Or it could be the mom.
Madagascar. No, Madagascar. I like to move it, move it. It's King, what's his name? Julian.
They're sleeping.
King Julian. We like to move it, move it. Why do they sleep like that?
See what we want to feed?
Whoa.
Touch him.
I'm gonna touch him. I'm going to be touching it. I'm gonna do it.
I think so.
You don't think I'm gonna touch him?
No.
I'm gonna touch him.
She's like, try to touch him.
Open right your neck, honey? Yeah, go right here. Want to get in? Here. There you go.
Let me get a picture.
Oh, yeah. Good picture. I like how her expression changed.
Okay, so I'm super excited. They got
Look
monkeys.
at the ones up there fighting them.
Oh my goodness. This just makes me so happy. Oh my god, baby, grab that one. It's eating. You are so cute. Eat that junk. Eat that junk. Look at this one. He's eating too. Ew, he's eating a bug. Ew, 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 ew.
That's disgusting. Yo, ball from the projects.
He took a cockroach.
bugging.
He
Boy,
took the
he's
roach.
really-
Look, he's holding it with his two little paws.
I got it.
Ew, ew. Oh my god, and it's
Still
moving.
alive. Son.
I think he's the weird one because everyone else is eating fruits. Oh, that mom is helping the baby eat the fruit. You see?
Ooh, we don't know what that was. Look at this guy, yo. He's really eating a bug. He's probably one of those, yeah, he's from Los Angeles. Definitely from LA.
You see her. Oh my god. And it's like you can see the baby ones because they're like little. See, I would spend a couple grand on a little monkey like this.
For sure, not the ones that are eating roaches, though.
Like, I know. Oh, look at him swinging. Oh my goodness, you are so beautiful.
He looked right at me and closed his eyes.
We'll get him. Hey, wake up. Wake up. You're so cute. We know you want to look. We know you want to look.
Hell yeah, watch, get up. Watch this.
He's always about to look. He's about to look. Dang. Nah, he's not with it. Maybe. These are what it is. So cute. Open up. These are porcupines. Actual porcupines. Oh my god, it moved. Let's see, we got this little flat. Why he looks so flat?
All are called Nile monitor. Like, what is a monitor? What's the difference?
I don't know.
A monitor is said to steal the eggs from crocodile nests, even on there.
That's probably what they do. Ooh, let's check out the other. The setting is kind of cute too. Another one of these big old yellow junks. Let's look for him. Oh, there he is. And here we got little tortoises. Little turtles. tortoise. Okay, guys, I don't think you're ready for this. What the fuck is that? You can see in their freaking tail.
You're about to go crazy though.
Why? Why?
There's a blue dark frog.
Oh, you can see in their tail. That was the fish in SpongeBob. Blue dart.
Ever gonna see?
Whoa, whoa. It's a fucking blue frog. Dang it, it's not focusing. Whoa. Didn't even realize that the blue one has babies, like little ones back there. You see them?
That's crazy.
Oh my god. Little blue family. Where'd he go? Where do you think you're going? Oh my god, it's a forest of them, babe. Black snake from Costa Rica. Out for a big cage one.
There's 3 of them though, but I only see 1.
Let's see if we could get him here for you guys. I just showed a little. Oh my god, he's playing with you.
Look at their hands though.
They look like real hands. Listen personal.
And it's eating like literally right here.
Because you tapped and he wants to play with you. Look. They're in the same family. He's smiling. Look at the little background they got going on. She's in the Rios movie because this is the big bird that beats up the Rios birds. Then you got the Rio birds back there, blue.
I feel like we're in Charlotte's Web.
Yeah, look at them. Sure.
They look older, right?
Yeah, with all the hair on their face. Looks like monkey lines.
They really look like humans. Shit's freaky.
Madagascar. Whoa. What? Madagascar and Rio is where all these movies are. I like to move it with the lemur. Someone's having a bad hair day. Ew.
We need to go. I got their food. I should have given it Nate.
That one kind of looked like Caesar.
Get away from me.
He ignored you. He's like, okay, bye.
It's crazy.
I wish it was a little more clear, but oh my god. So little and like mighty. It's called a clawed frog. Look at his fingers. Ew, they got webbies on the back ones. You see it? Wait, come back.
He's gonna be on this side. He's swimming.
Ew. Superman. The beautiful nature and motherhood. The beauty of it. Oh my goodness, you babies. This is at day 12 to 18.
Well, a lot of them, like, yeah, we breed a lot of them here, so a lot of them don't go
19. They're little fat things. Like, mama's already tired. These are the little fat pigs. And she's pregnant. We're gonna catch you up. You're up. Hi. She's like, no, leave me alone.
You see so much people. Are you seriously? Like, I'm tired of people.
And you wanna not ignore us?
You're not actually. Bless you.
So beautiful. Buddy, give it to him. Oh yeah. Aw, hi. You were so cute. He's like, give me some, give me some. Wait, I can actually give it to him. Here you go, little guy. Oh wait, no, let me see. A little bit in my hand. Here, like.
They just lick them.
Oh my God, you're so cute. It licks it.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Here, lick it off my hand. I like it when you lick it like that.
Here, I'll give it to him over here.
Hi, little ones. I know you probably can't reach it. Oh, look at the baby. Give it to him, baby.
I'm not doing that. You're doing it. You're fiends.
Here you go, little baby. Here you go. Oh my God. You are gorgeous. Huge. Massive. Little kings. They got a little soft. We got the ostrich, and where's the daredevil? Which one?
Black one. Walking on a thin line between love and hate.
It's like, I do what I want. I got this big old thing. So cute. There's a little baby over here. Where's the baby? Little baby.
Baby's eating.
Oh, look. She's drinking milk.
Let's see. Look at this one.
Hi, little baby. Why you don't want it? Do you want it? You don't want it either.
Yeah,
you
I don't.
guys ate some. Whoa. Hold on. There's a spot on there. Whoa.